Carlinkit recently sent me their newly launched 2-air wireless USB adapter, which is also known as the Carlinkit 5.0. In this video, we'll be unboxing this device and setting it up in my car, the Kia Sonet. If you've been part of my channel for some time now, then you'll know that my car does not support wireless Android Auto or even wireless Apple CarPlay. Only the wired options for both of them are supported in my car, even though this is the top variant. Which is why I'm a big fan of such devices which help me in getting the wireless options for both Android and Apple, which is exactly what this device does. So be sure to watch this video till the very end, as I have an exclusive discount coupon for you to use on your purchase of this affordable product or any product offered by the Carlinkit brand. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. But before we get into its features and whatnot, let's take a look at the box and see what all we get in it. As you can see, here we get a very compact little white box with the company branding at the top, a picture of the device itself at the middle, and a bit of information at the side such as plug and play, wireless connection, Bluetooth, as well as online upgrade. Pretty self-explanatory. The box has a very minimal looking design with no information at the top or bottom sides, and the company branding on both the left and right sides of it. Moving towards the rear, we get to see a few more information along with, once again, a picture of the device, this time connected to a car's USB port. Few of its features worth mentioning here are that this device is suitable for more than 98% of the car models out there. However, only those car models are compatible which have an inbuilt wired CarPlay feature and wired Android Auto. The complete model name of this device is CPC200 2-air. iPhones 6 and iOS 10 and above are supported. With regards to Android, all Android phones versions 11 and above are supported here as well. And the best part, the device will update its software over the air or OTA, so no need to worry about upgrading this thing. Alright, let's open up this thing now. And straight away, we get to see the 2-air device. I like the matte black finish on this thing. Let's keep this aside now and see what all we get. Beneath the plastic case, we get two USB cables with equal lengths of 1 foot each. One is a Type-C to C cable, while the other is Type-C to A. You can use either of these cables depending upon your car's USB ports. And finally, we get a detailed user manual. Now you can either read this entire thing or watch my video till the very end, since I'll be showing you guys everything there is to know anyways. Choice is yours. Alright, now the main device. This is quite a compact plastic device which can easily be kept anywhere in the car without even noticing it. At the front, we can see the company branding, which, by the way, also lights up in different colors while it is in use. We'll check out the lights later on in the video as well. I really like the grille sort of texture on both the left and right sides of the device. At the top, we can see the Type-C port. At the bottom, we can see the Type-A port for the respective cables. And at the rear, we can see a bit of information including the device's serial number. This thing is seriously small and fits easily in the palm of my hand. It is also really light, weighing just 29 grams. Compared to the existing adapter I have, the A2A box, that I've been using for the past several months now, the 2-air is lighter, a bit shorter in length, just a bit thicker. They have the exact same width and very similar build quality as well. However, the major difference here is that the 2-air also supports Apple CarPlay while the other one doesn't. So if you're looking for a wireless Android Auto device only, might I recommend the A2A box, on which I've already made a review video. You can find the link to that video at the end of this video. Alright, now let's connect this thing to my car and test it out. First, let's check out Apple CarPlay. I'll be using the USB Type-C to A cable for my car. I'll plug in one end to the 2-air and the other end to the car's USB-A port. And shortly after that, we can see a stable red color LED at the front of the box, waiting for us to pair it with the mobile device. Now on my phone, which is the iPhone SE, I'll first switch on the Wi-Fi, which is when the LED color will switch to blue and then back to red. And now add a new Bluetooth device with the name AutoKit 015. Once again, the LED will switch to blue and then back to red. After which, you should see a permission prompt on your phone. Click on Use CarPlay, and as soon as the pairing process completes, the LED on the 2-air will start blinking in green color. And now you should be able to see CarPlay on your car's head unit working wirelessly. This entire process has to be done just once, and every time we enter the car from now on, it will connect automatically as long as both the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. And now we can start using CarPlay just like we normally do with a wired connection. I won't be showing you all of the features of CarPlay. There are tons of other YouTube videos out there for you to check out. Here we can access the maps, zoom in, zoom out, set a destination, etc. Everything that we could do while connected with the wire. Only now I can do all of this wirelessly, all the while I keep my phone aside on the car's wireless charger. We can listen to our favorite songs by opening my preferred app Spotify, and everything works just perfectly. We can even use the steering wheel controls or all of the buttons right below the screen to change the tracks or set the volume. Everything is just very well integrated, as if it was originally a part of the car out of the factory. We can access all of the basic apps and settings in CarPlay with 2Air. And in case you were wondering, even the voice control feature still works perfectly. Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
Rain is forecast today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 32 degrees, with overnight lows around 24.
We can even make and receive phone calls, and again use the steering wheel controls to hang up when we are done. Okay, let's quickly check how much time it'll take the 2Air to start Apple CarPlay in the car from now on whenever I decide to go for a drive. The timer has been started as soon as I plugged in the Type A cable. As you can see, it took just about 27 seconds to connect to Apple CarPlay, which is absolutely acceptable. This is a great time considering the fact that it generally takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute to settle in the car before one drives off. Alright, now let's check out Android Auto using the same USB Type-C to Type A cable. And shortly after both the ends of the cable have been connected, we can see a stable red color LED at the front waiting for us to pair it with a mobile device. Now on my phone, which is the Samsung S20 FE 5G, I'll first switch on the Wi-Fi and now add a new Bluetooth device with the name AutoKit 015. Once again, the LED color will switch to blue and then back to red, and as soon as the pairing process completes, the LED on the 2Air will start blinking in green color, and you should now be able to see Android Auto on your car's head unit working wirelessly. Now I can lock my phone and just keep it aside. Once again, I won't be showing you all of the features of Android Auto. There are tons of other YouTube videos out there for you to check out. Here, we can access the phone, settings, maps, zoom in, zoom out, set a destination, etc. similar to what we saw in Apple CarPlay. Similarly, we can also play songs in Spotify, and the steering wheel controls still work here in Android Auto as well. Now let's move on to some entertainment options. First up, CarStream, which can be used to watch YouTube videos while the car is being driven. By the way, this app is just for knowledge sharing purpose, and I do not recommend any driver to watch any videos while driving their cars. This app, along with the remaining two apps we just saw, can be useful especially to your family and friends to keep them entertained while you concentrate on the road. I've made several videos on how you can install such apps to get these working perfectly on your car's head unit. I'll leave a link to the playlist of those videos at the end of this video for you to check out later on in case you are interested. As you can see, one of my latest videos is playing perfectly over here. Now let's check out YouTube Auto, which is another way of watching YouTube videos in the car. As you can see, I'm still able to search for channels or videos.
Shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
This cute little device is 70mi's latest and most innovative device, which is the world's first 360-degree dash cam.
And here as well, we can see the video works perfectly. And now finally, let me show you one of my favorite apps, which is Fermata Auto.
Technology for super fast and stable connections, which means latency would be at a minimum.
And just like the other apps, this one works just fine as well. Okay, let's quickly check how much time it'll take the 2Air to start Android Auto in my car from now on whenever I decide to go for a drive. The timer has been started as soon as I plugged in the Type A cable. As you can see, it took just under 23 seconds to connect to Android Auto, which is perfectly acceptable. Anything under 30 seconds is considered a good connection time. In order to purchase the Carlinkit 2Air or 5.0, you can visit the official website of Carlinkit. I'll mention the direct purchase link in the description below, and I'll even mention it in the comment section and pin that comment for your convenience. Use my exclusive discount coupon HarryWT to get an 18% off on your purchase to buy any of their products. At the time this video is being recorded, the 2Air is available for around $105 US. You can check out the exact price for your location by clicking at the link in the description below. And apart from the 2Air, there are several other car accessories they have to offer for you to check out. For reference purpose, my 2Air was delivered to me in about 2 weeks' time with no hassles whatsoever. Honestly speaking, I'm pretty happy with this device, as now I can not only wirelessly connect to Android Auto, but also Apple CarPlay, which is also quite affordable. And with that, we have reached the end of this review video. Hope you found the video informative, enough to make an informed purchase decision. I'll catch you guys soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.